What's up, guys? Welcome back to Project Time Garage. Today we're going to get a project. We're going to get a cool project. Not my project, but my buddy Brandon's project.
Hey guys.
So we're all sitting in the truck. It's about early 0:30, getting ready to take a ride from Murfreesboro area up to around Cookeville. We're going to try to drive this bad boy back. Give you some more information when we get on the road, so stand by. There it is.
Where?
Right in front.
What? Holy crap, dude, check out what he brought it on.
That's why he was able to do that. Oh my Lord, square body.
Dude, that thing is awesome.
Both of them.
That thing is
That thing looks
awesome.
mint.
Well, the commuter just fell off the back of it.
It's not a commute. All right, guys, this is it. It's a 64 Mercury Commuter Wagon. Got a 394 barrel, pretty radical thumper cam. I think the car's got a 69,000 original miles on it. A lot of things kind of tell you that. But anyway, let's take a look at it, and then we're gonna run this thing about 50 or 60 miles home on the interstate. See what happens with that. Well, here she is. Guys, we made it back about 50 miles or so. Car did great. It really likes to be up, you know, around 65, 70 miles an hour. Definitely a highway cruiser, no doubt. So let me take you around, kind of show you the car, show you what it's all about. Check it out. 1965 Mercury Commuter Wagon. Probably a car you've never even heard of. Only thing really is it's got going on is got a little bit of rust around the wheel wells and stuff, but owner's not going to do anything about that, and I don't blame him. It's been coated with some kind of like patina preserver stuff, which looks fantastic. Got an awesome looking grille. Just the front of it is just awesome looking, I think. Check out those turn signals. That is a neat thing right there too. Love those scallops on the side. He did these center caps, I believe, came on the car. Maybe bought some different ones and like these better, so that's where that's at. Body is actually straight. I believe the car is pretty much a low mile car. A little bit going on down there. Again, perfect for a cruiser wagon. The inside, factory headliners there. Interior is all there. But check out the wear, like on the pedals. There's really not any wear to speak of on them. Steering wheel is in really good shape. Got some cracking from heat there, but it doesn't have any real wear on it. Same with the seats. No real wear going on there. In nice shape. Carpet, still got the loop carpet in good shape. Got a good posterior view of that bad boy too. Check that out. Cargo space for days. Let's pop the hood. Under the hood, we've got a 390 FE motor. We believe this is the original engine for the car. It has been out, has been worked on, or has been into at some point. Somebody's put a aftermarket radiator. I believe we figured out that was a 2-core radiator. Probably should have been a 3-core or a 4-core radiator. Check out the washer jug. It's the Mercury logo. That's awesome. And it still has the windshield washer concentrate, I guess, probably to refill that bottle with, I assume. Somebody's put a master cylinder on it, which is good. He replaced this line here that was leaking. And power steering pump got replaced too. Obviously it's been a minute or two since we got it back. We're just closing this video up now. So there she is in all the glory. Sick wagon. Let's go take it for a ride. I know that's what you all want. That's what I want. Come on. brakes. Yeah.
That or an airport
That's- Yeah, you don't want to do it with a blind curve coming up.
No.
That's right. It's a lot of car to stop right here.
And four-wheel drum.
Four-wheel drum.
Booster don't help a lot with four-wheel drum brakes.
No.
That and low vacuum.
Oh yeah, big cam, low vacuum.
Drum brakes.
What kind of stuff working against you here?
That's alright. They make a disc brake conversion for the front.
That's it. Well, there it is. The car you've probably never heard of. I know I've never heard of one. I've been around cars and stuff all my life. I've heard of all kind of Mercury Villagers and Marauders and Country Squires, and never heard of a commuter. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already done so, please leave a like down below. Leave a comment. If you ever heard of this car before, let me know. But as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell all your friends about us. Guys, I'll see you next time.